What's up, man? It's the boy Young Pharaoh, and I'm back with another bass freestyle. Killing them, man. Coolest rapper alive is back, man. Shout out to everybody, man. Let's go. Yo, I'm rapping like I'm Brock Lesnar. Going insane, but you know I'm hella killer. Going insane, just spitting off the dome. Oh my god, I feel like I'm Brock Lesnar. Whoa, cause I just went to Suplex City. Going insane, but I like P. Diddy. Going insane, but I look like Waldo. Oh my god, where's Waldo at? Going insane, but you know I'm gon' snap. Oh my god, Young Pharaoh's finna snap. Oh my god, I just talked to King Tut like yesterday. He said, what's up? Young Pharaoh, man, you just be swangin'. Going insane, but I look like John Madden. Oh my god, Young Pharaoh be killing all these beasts though. Oh my god, I feel like Luke Kane, cause I hit you with that fatality though. And you know I'm going insane, just spitting off the dome like Saddam Hussein. Oh my god, I'm not a terrorist, but I love America. But our country's so messed up from the deaths. Going insane, but you know I'm going in. Oh my god, call me Ted Bundy Man. Oh my god, I'm Jack the Ripper, going insane. Just, and you know I'm a flip you, like I'm Tom Brady. Going insane, but I am famous. Call me Tom Brady. Going insane, just spitting off the dome, just ran out of breath. But I had to bring it back, cause you know how I do it. Young Pharaoh going in, this is pretty good music. Going insane, just gonna be spit. And you know I am on the fucking mission. Oh my god, Young Pharaoh, going insane, just spitting off the dome like. Oh my god, Young Pharaoh. Oh my god, just got a new TV. 34-inch smart TV, going insane cause I'm so smart. Call me Jimmy Neutron, cause you know I'm on. And you know I'm going insane though. Freestyling off the dome though. Blase, blase, blase. Remix up in here and I'm back now. Been gone for a minute, but I'm finna let it smack down. Call me The Rock, nah, call me The Undertaker, cause I'm delivering tombstones like I'm Paul Bearer. Rest in peace though. Call me Young Pharaoh, bro. Going insane, but I look like Gandhi, cause I'm about that peace and love inside my heart. Going insane, but I like Mozart. Call me Conan the Barbarian. Going insane, but I look like a, yeah, I look like Death Face up in here. Going insane, shout out to Darth Vader, cause that is my father. And you know I'm going in, it's that total slaughter. Put your body in a meat locker. Wow, I'm back on my dark shit, going insane. I should have been a member of our future. And you know I'm going insane, I'm the future. Going insane like I'm Nostradamus. And you know I see the future. Call me motherfucking Gandhi, cause I'm all about that peace and love. I hope you're really about it, cause you know this is what I do, man. Going insane, I feel like Cactus Jack, man, cause I got long hair just like him. Oh my god. Oh my god, Miss Socko's back, going insane, but Young Pharaoh back to rapping, and you know that's a fact. And you know I kill it like a Mortal Kombat dragon, going insane, but you know I be spazzing. Whoa, just rap so fast that you couldn't keep up with it. And you know I'm going insane, just spitting up the dome like, oh my god, I'm the Black Bruce Wayne. Going insane, but I'm the Black Bruce Wayne. Yeah, and you know I'm back now, and I'm never gonna stop, never gonna stop. Yeah. Shout out Bass World up in here. Shout out Pharaoh World. Shout out to all the girls all around the world. Pharaoh.